is yours.
Huh?
No, that's not yours.
It is mine.
Yeah, put it right here. Should I turn it off? Mom, should I turn it off? I'm saying, should I turn it off? Mom, should I turn it off?
No, don't turn it off.
Now we're coming to turn into like a curtain. It's not a window. It's a cabinet.
Okay. First package.
I want to choose, Mom, because I like choosing.
Okay, you like to
It's
choose.
big, small, medium. Dun-dun. Big.
I will just wear.
This one.
Wait lang ha.
We got this one. Pretty heavy. We got it. Wow. We got it from the basement.
Sorry. Okay, hi guys. We will open another again. We will open
Another package.
another package again.
A lot of packages.
4
Just
packages.
Just four.
Just 4.
But yesterday we actually carried like 5 or 6.
You're so talkative. So okay, which one you want to open first?
That big one.
This big one. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Go, go, go.
This one
Here
feels.
you go.
Ow. This one feels like batteries.
Really?
Yeah. Because batteries
Careful. Careful. Oh, oh my goodness.
What does it look like? Too short.
I know what it is. There you go.
Not longer.
This is
It has wires. Too much.
power bank. See?
Well, we
Power bank.
usually send it because it's too much.
What? What you will do?
We send it to a different place because it's too much.
Oh, which place you send it?
Everywhere.
See, this is nice. This is
Yeah.
me.
Me.
The brand is me.
Neepy. Neepy.
See? So the color is, it's like brown or gold something.
We do not have
Something.
anything here on the table.
Yes.
But we do have too much stuff because
So there is
we not keep it nice and clean.
yes, correct. There is blue. There is silver. So there is another gold, pink. So handy. See, it's like, it's very small. So it's like half of the palm. Half of the palm. Half of your palm. So this one is black. This one is silver. This one is pink. This one is blue again and black again. So all is 10 pieces. So they send us this box,
Yeah.
new box, so that we can repack.
Yeah, we don't actually pack it inside now. We pack it later.
Yes, later.
Because
See?
because my mother has a shop.
Really?
Yeah, you have a shop. I didn't sell them.
And there is wires. We were going to use this.
And is there
Sure.
boxes for wires?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 wires. Oh my goodness, they make extra. 2,
But they
4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
Okay, you don't need.
Put extra. And the box, they also, I guess, put extra. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh my goodness. Looks like it's 20. It's good. Then they put this also so that we can repack also with a, we can also put in the instruction or the manual or thing. So that's it.
It's the instruction how you use it.
Yes.
Because Christopher, or that's my buddies.
What? That is your what? Your buddy?
No.
Your buddy?
Hey.
Boy. Promise. Okay, next package.
That small heavy one.
This small heavy one. What do you think it is?
I know, it's so heavy.
Huh?
It's so heavy. I'm trying to pick it up, but then it's like.
So heavy.
It's like a heavy.
Oh, it's batteries.
I knew it. I said batteries.
See, it's batteries.
But I want to see if one of them are broken because then we can fix it.
It's heavy. Because my husband will use this. So we will put one.
And
Oh, it's 46.
So it's low bat.
So meaning.
It's low bat.
No.
It's just joking.
meaning it's good. It's good battery. It will work good.
How about the other one?
So how many batteries there is?
I think how about we put 2 and see how much it weighs, and then 2 how it weighs.
This battery you can find it in your computer, in
your laptop.
Yes, in laptop. So this one is the battery that is used in the laptop.
You not say phone.
No, you cannot find this in the phone, I guess, because it's.
But how about online? Daddy bought it online.
Yes, I know.
On phone.
So how many? 4, 16, 20, 25, 26, 27.
Can I tell you something? The ones on the sides look smaller.
27. Oh, okay. There is 3 at the bottom. So 23. 23 pieces of
Time to
batteries.
say goodbye. Say goodbye to black carpet. Wait, not black carpet.
So next package, what you want to open, Jace?
The like triangle piece thing.
This one.
No, not that one.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, this one.
Then the last
Dun
one.
da da dun da dun. Dun da da dun da dun.
I know what it is. It looks like paper.
Looks like paper.
Yeah, because it's like in like a little triangle square thing. Triangle. No, it's not a triangle.
What is
Triangle
this?
square.
Ready, steady.
I don't know what is that thing.
Me too. Don't have any idea. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Last stop. What is this?
It's in plastic. I didn't even see it.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
the pen.
pen.
For who?
I'm not sure.
Maybe me.
Active stylus. Active stylus.
Okay, that thing's funny. Can
Specification, appearance are subject to change without prior notice.
is it plastic?
May I see?
What does it look
What
like?
is
Is
that?
it big? Is it like 500?
What 500? Oh my goodness.
Oh, Mom, how do you work it?
I'm not sure.
I know which one does it go
No,
on.
it will mess. It will be lost.
Does it go on paper? Does it go on paper?
I
or
don't know, my
computer?
love. Only that he knows. But he already mentioned to me.
What
He
does
already
it?
mentioned to me that he have pen that's coming. So okay,
Maybe there's like a kind of phone or laptop coming. Maybe.
I'm not sure.
Last
So
one.
last one.
Dun, 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 dun,
Dun,
dun.
dun, dun, dun.
Can I open?
Yes, you can open.
Yay!
Yay!
I never opened one package when I was making a video.
Careful. Just be
Okay.
careful.
I put it in the hole.
Oh, that is open already, my love.
This
In the sides, in the sides. Oh, see? It's open. Okay. Like that. Good job. Hope I will not be
I did a little cut, then
copyrighted with my background.
Then I just cut a little bit and then I did that.
What is this? Ready, steady, blast off!
This
Oh no, my
I want to take this. What?
what is this? Mouse.
A mouse. You wanted it?
Logitech. We have a
What?
lot like this in South Africa.
And this
Logitech, I think.
this is my mom's old mouse.
Yeah, this is my new mouse.
This is a real mouse because it charges.
Correct.
Because it has a tail. This
Uh-huh.
your one here does not have a tail. Even it has a battery.
Now I have a mouse.
A mouse.
Mouse,
Now-
Tom and Jerry.
Tom is catching a mouse for dinner.
Nice. It's wireless. Where's the battery, my boy?
Right here in my hand.
Okay.
Let's see you later, alligator. Do you see anything? Huh? Dun, dun, dun,
Okay, there you go. Where's
Mom.
the USB? There's the USB.
That's not
Find USB.
Oh,
There's
there's the-
USB. Okay.
There's the plug.
Yes.
And there's the battery.
Uh-huh. There's the mouse. And there is the USB. Okay?
What is called a USB?
USB.
A charge. But how does it
And
charge?
free pad.
Oh, mommy, just put it on. That's all.
Yes. So that's all, guys. That's all for now. Please subscribe and like and share our video for more. Hit that ring.
Hit that bell.
Hit that bell. And for more videos to come.